Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set up breakout rooms in Google Meet. If you want to organize smaller groups or discussions during meetings or online classes, this tutorial is for you. On your Google Meet dashboard, we will take an instant meeting as an example to show you how to access the breakout rooms feature. Before using breakout rooms, make sure you have a premium plan on Google Meet, as this feature will not work without one. On your Google Meet call, once you are already in a meeting and want to use breakout rooms, simply click the 9 dots in the lower right corner. These are your meeting tools. You can see them right there. Once you click that, you will see a breakout rooms option listed under the tools. All you need to do is click on it, and it will set up the breakout rooms for your meeting. Please note that we are unable to demonstrate this fully right now, as we do not have a premium plan. This feature is only available with a premium subscription. You can upgrade to premium directly from this screen. This feature will help you create and manage breakout rooms in Google Meet for better collaboration and group activities. It will guide you through setting up rooms, assigning participants, and managing breakout sessions with ease. And that's it. Now you know how to set up breakout rooms in Google Meet.